Weather portion of Ag Week now, and we've made it to June, but as you know, planting is far behind schedule, and it has to do a lot with the wet weather we've seen lately. What we've seen lately is a jet stream, specifically the southern jet stream, that's been in a diagonal pattern right across the central and southern plains. That sparked off a lot of severe weather, days after days after days of severe weather. But finally, things are starting to relax just a little bit, so I expect less severe weather as we go into the next couple of weeks. This northern jet starting to make a large ridge over the western and central parts of the country, allowing warmer weather to travel further and further to the north. In fact, much of the country is expecting above average temperatures for the next 2 weeks, except for this little dip in the jet stream here in the northeast corner of the country, where near to below average temperatures are expected. Meanwhile, down further to the south, where a large heat wave has been happening over the past couple of days, things are starting to cool down just a little bit, but of course it's still toasty as we are making it further into summer. The second week of June, this large ridge, you can see just how intense that thing is, allows the warm weather to travel further and further to the north, even into the lower parts of Canada, those prairie provinces up there. Meanwhile, the desert southwest becomes the focus of the heat into the second week of June. Now, one thing to point out on precipitation, one spot that's been very dry, those prairie provinces. And they're going to continue to stay dry through this week with showers across parts of the southwest into the central plains and periodic showers further to the northeast. By the second week of June, I think we see a little bit of relief for the wheat farmers up in the prairie provinces, periodic showers and even a few storms, while showers take place further to the south. The northern plains starting to set up for a warmer and drier pattern. And that's exactly what we're talking about here for the first half of June, things turning warmer as we get into summer, things drying up as well, which of course is a good thing, but too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. And we're talking about less storms.